Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to make the necessary electrical connections to the ISE70 series pressure switch. Let's start. We begin by making the connections to a 24-volt DC power supply. Connect the brown wire to the positive supply. Next, connect the blue wire to the negative of the same supply. The two remaining wires provide independent outputs. Output 1 uses the black wire and output 2 uses the white wire, which are connected to a load, for example an input to a PLC or a lamp. The ISE70 can be configured to switch outputs for a negative common PNP or positive common NPN configuration, being the default configuration PNP. For IO-link communication, black and white wires are connected to the IO-link master and only output 2 can be used independently. Now, switch on the power supply. The ISE70 switch display illuminates and we can use the switch to simply show the measured pressure. When the pressure is increased to the configured threshold value setting of the output, in this case 0.5 megapascal for output 1, it's shown as active on the display. When the pressure is reduced, output 1 switches off. So, you've seen how to connect the ISE70 series. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see how easy it is to configure some of the more common switch functions.